Maglo. Yeah, question and answer ita. Ay, hindi mo cancer. Ah. Ay, hindi mo cancer. Po sa ano, kalamansi ko niya baba nun. Sige Diyan, butangoy. Yan, butangoy. Ay, babalin.
Basic. Alam na ako may cancer dun.
What do you call a baby cat?
Kitten.
Okay. How many sides? Nyo ko yung wala dapat na ginang namuglo-kanen. Tago mo yan. How many sides does a triangle have?
3.
Gum na daw review. What is opposite of hot? What is opposite of hot? Ha? Old. Old. Olo kabaliktaran ng hot. Ha? Ed. Eka. Ha? Eka, kamunon ko mo pala ipuglokan nin.
Dada.
Kulutong ko kayon. Dapat cancer. Wala. Gwapo to ka nila. Balik. Pasalag nagbaba. Hoy, salakong ka. Ginang batig-bato yan.
What opposite head?
What do you use to brush your teeth?
Toothbrush
What
and
do you use to
toothpaste.
brush your teeth?
Toothbrush and toothpaste.
Toothpaste.
Common. Toothbrush and toothpaste.
What fruit is known for its yellow color and curved shape?
Banana.
Ay, mabus pala ko ng queen niya. What do bees make?
Ha?
What do bees make?
Honey.
What is the name of our planet?
Earth.
Ay, what do you wear on your feet?
Ngisi.
Wala po gusaron niyo, diyan sa feet niyo.
Shoes and socks.
What animal says moo?
Cow.
Bumbusada.
Sarap.
What do you use to write on paper?
Papel.
Pencil or
Papel.
pen? Oh, pera. Paper. Ano? Pencil or pen? What is the tallest animal in the world?
Giraffe.
Alam niya ka, Lance?
Giraffe.
Eka?
Tiger.
Tiger. Mamili yun. Ay, first ako naka-excited po kung mapapaglukan ako kalamansi.
Ala.
Para na ka, Ginalog kan. Correct answer. Giraffe or tiger?
Giraffe.
Sa Nana ka sa pulit sa lagang baba mo ken. Initan na. Wala malay mo solid. Yung kuda. Tapodokso. What do birds use to fly?
Wings.
Wings. Very good.
Butterfly.
Ha? Pagkonak mo rin yan kan. Butterfly. Kasi o butterfly kan ang ondahin og
Wings.
wings nun. What is the name of the star that give us light and heat?
Shooting star.
Hmm?
Shooting star.
Shooting star? Wrong. Wala shooting star.
Salmon. Salmon.
Answer non og samon John. Kautro San. Kasi magbugayan yun og hit. Ano mahit ken?
Magbabayan ako tam.
So. Okay na, last. What do you plant in the ground to grow foods?
Ha?
What do you plant in the ground to grow food?
Seeds.
Seeds. Very good. What is the opposite of up?
Up.
Up. Down. Very good. Eka, alo answer mo ko to alo opposite nog up.
Down.
Hmm?
Down.
Hmm.
Down. Down.
Down.
Down. Down. Down.
Oh. Pero na mga answer lang si Jahan sa pini.
Ako mo po sa
Oh.
dyan.
What is opposite of hot? Ang magilawan, opposite of hot.
Moon.
Olo kabalati ano gan. Kabala kung lang kabaliktaran mo sa baron.
Odd.
Ah?
Odd.
Odd.
Odd. Odd. Head.
Cold.
Cold. Cold. Nam, kinaman. Nada. Nasakit tanay ka. Ha? Hindi, talaga naman. Nagpasahod.